Assalamu alaikum grade 6 students. Today we will start with a new activity, activity 2, the skin, the urinary system and excretion. I will divide the lesson into two parts. Today I will talk about the skin and excretion, and the next time I will talk about the urinary system and excretion too. Today we will be able to recognize the basic structure of a human skin and its main parts, list the basic functions of skin, and explain the importance of each of these functions. When the body removes solid, liquid, or gaseous waste, we call this excretion. So the excretory system is the system that performs the function of excretion or discharging wastes. It is responsible for the elimination of waste produced by our cells. We have two ways to eliminate liquid waste from our bodies: perspiration or sweating, and urination. First, we will talk about perspiration. Perspiration or sweating is one way the body removes liquid waste. Your body sweats day and night, and much more when the weather is hot. When sweat evaporates, it refreshes and cools your skin, helping to keep your body's temperature constant. When the weather is cool, the body perspires less. Urination. Urination is another way to remove liquid waste. Now we will move to the skin. The skin is the largest organ of the body with a total area of about 20 square feet. Also, it is the organ of touch. The structure of the skin. The skin consists of three layers. Look at this figure. The epidermis, which is the outermost layer. The dermis, which is beneath the epidermis, and the hypodermis, which is below the dermis. The functions of the skin. Number 1, excretion. Human sweat is a colorless or very light yellow liquid with a salty taste. It is composed of water and waste, filtered from the blood by sweat glands. Look at this figure. The sweat glands found in the dermis filter the waste from the blood. Then the wastes are discharged through the pores found in the dermis. The second function is the protection against microbes. The skin is a thick waterproof cover which protects our body against microbes. The third function, regulation of body temperature. When it is hot, we sweat a lot. As it evaporates from the surface of the body, sweat carries heat with it, refreshing our skin. This prevents the body temperature from rising and keeps it constant at around 37 degrees Celsius. When it is cold, we sweat less. The body loses less heat. Our hair and hypodermis help protect us from cold. And the hypodermis is the site of storage of most body fat. Regulation of body temperature is also fight against cold and heat. They fight against heat by increasing sweating, and they fight against cold by decreasing sweating. Number 4, skin is also the organ of touch that allows us to sense the world when our eyes are closed. Note, vitamin D is the only vitamin the body produces, and thanks to the skin, which sensitizes it when exposed to the sun. Note, we obtain the other vitamins from our food. Summing up for the lesson. Number 1, the skin is composed of three layers: epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis. Number 2, the skin has many roles. It is the organ of touch, it is the organ of protection, and it is the organ of body temperature regulation.